morning Year 3. Today we're going to be comparing fractions that have the same denominator. Remember, the denominator is the bottom number of the fraction. I hope you've got your maths brain on and that you are ready to learn. All of the shapes on the screen are showing 1/2 because they're all split into 2 equal parts and only one part is shaded. These two shapes are both showing 1/3 because they're both split into 3 equal parts and only one part is shaded. Finally, all of these shapes are showing quarters because they are split into 4 equal parts and only one part is shaded. So all of those fractions that we've just looked at and compared, they all had the same denominator. They all had that many parts, even though the shapes each looked different. I need to shade 1/3 of this shape and 2/3 of the shape next to it. But my square is split into 9 equal parts. If you look carefully though, you can see that there are 3 parts which each have 3 different squares in. I have coloured in 3 squares for the 1/3. That is 1 strip. The other 2 strips are blank, so I know that it is 1/3. For the 2/3 shape, I have shaded in 6 squares, but that is 2 strips out of the 3, so it is clear to see that 2 strips out of 3 have been shaded, so it must be 2/3. Which fraction is bigger? Is 1/3 or 2/3 bigger? Have a look how much is shaded and have a think. If you said 2/3, then you are correct because more of the shape has been shaded. Okay, you now need to pause the video here. You need to go to your daily learning sheet to do the first activity. When you have finished your first activity, come back to the video ready for the next bit of your learning. As you can now see on your screen, I have compared 1/3 and 2/3 using an inequality symbol. So I have said that 1/3 is less than 2/3 and 2/3 is greater than 1/3. It's time to pause the video again and go back to your daily learning sheet for your second activity. In this activity, you'll be writing the right symbol to show whether the fractions are greater than, less than, or equal to each other. When you have finished, unpause the video ready for the next bit of your learning. Your final activity are some word problems. You will find these at the bottom of your daily learning sheet. If you have got any problems, then please email us and one of us will get back to you.